Hadin chisngi tam ka Jingtwa Khyndew Nongpriang ka badon ithan sora nakaliang ki kin hon den a jingiram jong Khuborjylla ni kasngi thoding kilayo se yakwe ka met ka basa akut na kate ka Jingtwa kat kum ka jinget ho do deputy commissioner ka East Khasi Hills USC sadhu loong ba ka jingwat banyo se yaki Arngut ki weipat kadang yai biteng hadu menta hakini ka Jingtwa Khyndew kiladon hadu sangut ki briu ki brasha tap bat yo wei neki layo ban seino a kasngi pale
That Sora division. In fact, it's very unfortunate that 4 people were trapped, and so far 2 bodies will be recovered by our team and our team from both the fire and emergency services and from SDRF, and including our teams from subdivision are there at this location, and they are trying hard to ensure that because there is a big boulder which caused this landslide, to remove it so that other bodies also can be recovered. So that efforts are still going on. In fact, the financial assistance as a part of in the form of ex gratia to the next of kin will be transferred immediately. That is 4 lakhs per victims.